I'm passing by this place like 4 years already, almost 4 years, and I always wanted to come here and never had the time. So now it's the time. I think that's the same with anyone who's living in a beautiful place, right? Like you're born in that place and you lived all your life in that place, but the people who come and visit that place knows about it more than you, just because you never had the time. And it's just next door, and you always say, okay, I will come here tomorrow, and then you say, okay, today I have no time. Look at that beauty there, but I just have to find the way how to get down there. It's probably here. Oh, hello. Apa kabar? Martin. Ya, just jalan-jalan. Okay, terima kasih. Met this guy. Super welcome. As everyone, all the people here, just always amazed about how kind they are. So he's probably the one who's guarding this rice pads. When the rice becomes ripe, so then it means that there's a lot of birds. Rice. That's how it looks like. So there's the birds now. They pulling the ropes, right? And they just yelling, and then the birds flying away. In this area, there's always rice, just because there is a water all the time. There is like a small spring or river, so I will go down anyways. I will show you that. While in Amed area we have rice only probably if we are lucky with the rain and water. So then rice we have only 2 times a year. When you're looking at that, right? So when the rice pads is on a flat area, so then it doesn't look that cool. But here it's like on a slope. And this is the lines they're pulling to scare the birds. Apa kabar? Baik. So this place is only like, I don't know, 5-minute drive from Amed. What else I can say? From the road, you can see it actually either from the road. how the jackfruit is growing. It's growing really big and it can be a couple of, I don't know, 20 kilograms. Just jalan jalan. Filming jalan jalan. Permisi. The main reason why people coming to Bali is the beautiful views. Rice paddy is not only the tourism attraction, so yeah, now it became like a half attraction. But the problem actually with for the Bali and rice pads is that there is a lot of tourism now in the Bali, and all the hotels and all the warungs and all the restaurants using a lot of water. Because of the tourism, we're losing a lot of this national specific. Just because everybody understands that the tourism gives better money than, for example, the rice. But at the same time, there is a lot of people who's not involved in Bali in the tourism, and then they are struggling. There are some part of the Balinese are still farming. They're farming salt, they're farming rice, they're farming veggies, they're doing all these things. And they are not involved in tourism at all. And then there is another part which lives only from the tourism. Let's say half of the family works as a farming and a half of the family lives from the tourism. Say they have some hotel or whatever. And so then it's kind of okay. So because if there is no money income from the farming, then they can actually share between the family members the money from the tourism. But if there is a families which are not involved in the tourism, then it's like a kind of trouble, because the tourism takes away all the water and all the income from them, so they have nothing to live from, right? So finally the tourists are not happy. Why to pay the money for walking around the rice fields? But if that's the only income for this person, then what, right? So like all the rice pads in Ubud, you actually pay to enter these rice fields. Here in Amed, I just came here, took a nice photos, and I'm leaving. And the people are super kind, and they are not focused on money, they are focused on the farming. Because around here, there's no any hotel. They have enough water in this place. So that's actually, tourism is not affecting them at all. But like in Ubud, right, especially Ubud, Canggu area, where is a lot of hotels now and the lodges and restaurants, and everybody's using water. So that guys is in a trouble, just because the rice fields getting less and everybody's living from the tourism. Now when there's like a kind of, I would like to say, worldwide tourism ban, then they are in a trouble, because there's no other income for them anymore. That's it for today. I was super happy to show you this place, and I'm actually super happy to be in this place finally. This place is called Verina Rice Terraces, or rice pads. Super cool place with a super cool people. So if you are around Amed and you're looking for the rice pads, like for example, at the moment it's already November and they still have rice here growing, just because water. Okay.
Okay, see you.
Sampai jumpa.
Good trip, yeah.
Terima kasih.
Good trip, yeah.
Thank you very much for watching my channel and supporting me with all these comments and that stuff. And so yeah, thank you very much. See you tomorrow again. Bye. Misha Adrianov.
Привет!
Привет!